this little Honda EX650. Looks like it comes from Calgary. And I think we just have a card problem. The little jet is pretty much plugged. There you go. Now we can see through it. There's a little jet in the top of the carb right there. It has an incredibly small little hole in the middle of it there. And that was plugged up. Still not making power though. Basically a cord, and just brush the battery against the wires. A AA battery, or I'm going to use a 9-volt. Fired it up and it charges again, so it looks like exciting. It was all that it needed to get going, and we've got a good generator. Right on.